Have you ever stopped to consider how essential forests are to our ecosystem? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Forests, with their lush greenery and abundant life, are more than just a beautiful sight to behold. They are the lifeblood of our planet, serving as critical hubs of biodiversity. Imagine a world teeming with diverse species, from towering trees to the tiniest insects. Each life form, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the forest ecosystem. Forests also act as nature's own climate regulators, mitigating climate change by absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from our atmosphere. But their value extends beyond the environment. Forests are the backbone of many communities, providing livelihoods, resources, and even spiritual and cultural identities to millions of people worldwide. Forests are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, creating a sustainable environment for all life forms. Remember, the health of our forests directly impacts the health of our planet. Deep within the forest, a fascinating cycle of life unfolds. Imagine for a moment a seed. This seed, no larger than a grain of sand, holds within itself the blueprint of a towering tree. It falls from its parent, carried by the wind or perhaps a passing bird, and lands, seemingly by chance, in a patch of soft, fertile soil. But this is no accident. The forest, in its infinite wisdom, has created the perfect conditions for this seed to thrive. The soil is rich with nutrients, fed by the fallen leaves and decomposing organisms that make up the forest floor. The canopy overhead provides shade, protecting the seed from the harsh sunlight and preserving the moisture it needs to grow. And so, with the stage set, the seed begins its incredible transformation. It germinates, sending out a tiny root to anchor itself in the soil and a shoot to reach for the sunlight. In this delicate balance between earth and sky, the seedling is born. As the days turn into weeks and the weeks into months, the seedling grows. It stretches towards the sunlight, its leaves photosynthesizing, turning light into life. Its roots spread out beneath the soil, drawing nutrients and water, anchoring it firmly in place. Against all odds, the seedling survives, growing stronger and taller with each passing day. But it is not alone. The forest is a community, and each creature, each plant, each microbe plays a role in this seedling's journey. The insects that pollinate its flowers, the birds that spread its seeds, the fungi that help its roots absorb nutrients, all are part of this intricate dance of life. And as the seasons change, so does the seedling. It experiences the warmth of summer and the chill of winter, the abundance of spring and the decay of autumn. Each season brings challenges, but also opportunities for growth. And with each cycle, the seedling grows a little taller, a little stronger, a little closer to becoming the tree it was destined to be. And thus, the tiny seed begins its journey to become a towering giant, a testament to the miracle of life. But a seed doesn't grow into a tree alone. It's part of a larger, interconnected community. Just as our lives are interwoven with those around us, the life of a tree is inextricably linked with the multitude of organisms that call the forest home. Let's imagine this forest community as a bustling city, with each organism playing a specific role to keep the city thriving. The smallest insects, the quiet, unassuming custodians, break down fallen leaves and dead organisms, recycling their nutrients back into the soil. This nutrient-rich soil, in turn, provides the sustenance for the towering trees and the undergrowth of plants. The trees, our skyscrapers, reach high into the sky. Their leaves capture the sun's energy, converting it into food in a process called photosynthesis. This energy doesn't just fuel the tree's growth, it also supports the entire forest food web, from the smallest herbivores to the top predators. In the safety of the tree's branches, birds build their nests, finding shelter and a place to raise their young. In return, these feathered residents help to spread the tree's seeds, furthering the cycle of life. Beneath the tree's canopy, herbivores, like deer, nibble on the leaves and twigs. Their grazing habits help to shape the forest's structure, controlling the growth of some plant species while promoting the growth of others. Even larger mammals like bears contribute to the forest's health. By fishing in the rivers and streams, they help control fish populations, preventing overpopulation and ensuring a balanced ecosystem. And let's not forget about the fungi. These often overlooked forest residents form a symbiotic relationship with the trees, known as mycorrhizal associations. The fungi help the trees absorb water and nutrients from the soil, and in return, they receive sugars from the tree. The forest is a complex network of life, with each organism playing a unique and vital role. Their interactions create a balanced, resilient ecosystem where life flourishes. Each organism, no matter how small, plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of the forest ecosystem. However, our forests face formidable threats, threatening this delicate balance. In this intricate web of life, every single element plays a crucial role, and even the smallest disruption can ripple through the entire ecosystem. One of the most pressing challenges our forests face today is deforestation. From logging to land conversion for agriculture, we are losing our forest at an alarming rate. Every year, an area roughly the size of Greece is stripped of its trees, leaving the land bare and the ecosystem in disarray. Deforestation not only robs us of our beautiful forests, but it also disrupts the lives of countless species that call these woodlands home. It's not just about the trees. It's about the birds that nest in their branches, the insects that burrow in their trunks, the mammals that forage in their shadows. Each creature, each plant, each microscopic organism all play their part in this grand symphony of life. When the trees go, they all suffer. But deforestation is not the only threat. Climate change is another significant challenge. As the planet warms, forests struggle to adapt. Droughts become more frequent and intense, leading to water scarcity and higher susceptibility to forest fires. Rising temperatures also enable the spread of pests and diseases, which can decimate entire swaths of forest. The consequences of these threats extend far beyond the forest boundaries. Forests are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They are crucial in the fight against climate change. But when forests are destroyed or degraded, they release the stored carbon back into the atmosphere, further exacerbating the problem. Moreover, forests play a vital role in our water cycles, influencing rainfall patterns and providing clean water. When forests are lost, so too are these invaluable services. The stakes are high. Our survival depends on the health and well-being of our forests. As we move forward, it is imperative that we recognize the immense value of our forests and take action to protect and restore them for the generations yet to come. Despite these threats, forests have an incredible ability to regenerate. This process, often unseen, is a testament to the resilience of nature and the sheer will of life to continue against all odds. Forest regeneration is a complex yet fascinating process that begins with a simple seed. This seed, once fallen to the ground, is the promise of new life, a beacon of hope for a recovering forest. It may lie dormant for months, even years, awaiting the right conditions to spring forth into life. When these conditions are met, the seed germinates, pushing its first root into the soil and extending its first leaves towards the sun. This is the beginning of a new tree, a new chapter in the story of the forest. But it doesn't stop there. In a perfect orchestra of nature, other species join the symphony. From fungi that break down decaying material, providing nutrients for growing plants, to animals that spread seeds and pollinate flowers, each plays a vital role in the forest's recovery. However, forests do not always recover on their own. Sometimes, they need a helping hand. This is where human intervention comes into play. Through reforestation efforts, we can aid this process, planting trees and protecting young saplings from harm. The role of humans in forest regeneration is not just about planting trees. It's about creating the right conditions for a forest to heal. It's about understanding the intricate web of life that makes a forest thrive and ensuring it remains unbroken. We must also remember that recovery takes time. A forest does not heal overnight. It can take years, even decades, for a forest to fully recover. But with each passing day, each new sprout, each bird's song, the forest takes one step closer to its former glory. This is the miracle of regeneration. It is a testament to the resilience of nature and a reminder of our role in its preservation. Even in the face of adversity, forests continue to thrive, showing resilience and an inspiring will to survive. Now, more than ever, we need to champion the cause of forest conservation. It's not merely about saving trees, it's about preserving the very fabric of life. Forests act as the globe's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen back into the air. They're also the heart of biodiversity, home to countless species, many of which are yet to be discovered. Reforestation, planting trees where forests have been depleted, is a powerful tool in our conservation arsenal. But it's not just about planting trees, it's about nurturing them, ensuring they grow to become the towering giants we so admire. Each one of us has a role to play, no matter how small. Whether it's planting a tree in your backyard, supporting local reforestation efforts, or advocating for policies that protect our forests, every action counts. Remember, every seed planted, every tree saved, contributes to the preservation of our planet. Our future depends on it.